Nothing, you already weighed.
Nothing.
There's a lot, but I can't remember them here.
Marami pa yung
Haircut tomorrow?
Yeah, sure.
After breakfast?
May tao na bumili
I'm gonna look
ng
fresh tomorrow.
sabon. Si Pedro bumili siya ng sabon. Pag bukas, bumalik siya doon kasi hindi daw bumubula ang sabon niya. Sabi niya, bakit? Normal na sabon naman to eh. Eh, nakalagay dito for dry skin. Hindi talaga bumubula. Pangit.
Negative one.
Or after lunch, Denise.
He was asking why
doesn't the soap
Gagawing star.
but it's dry because it's for dry skin.
Oh, I know. Diba? How do you make it a star?
Ano?
Boom, star.
Correct! Pwede! Pwede.
That's funny.
Hindi ko na wala akong ganun.
Sir,
Hindi ako
after
ganun
lunch.
sa ganyan.
Yeah, no problem.
Because then we'll be back from...
Yeah, and you have time to shower.
Baba.
If you make this.
Isip. Ang dami.
Estudyante ko nga. Estudyante ko yun.
Yeah, there's so many.
Ang gamit na gamit yung kay Batman, diba?
Ano to? Ano to? Kamay.
Hindi ganyan din eh.
Dapat nakapasok sa balik.
Ano to? So, I like simple things. Come on.
There's this one too. Ano to?
Pusit.
Ano to?
Opposite.
Yo, Batman, tapos Superman.
Alam mo yung si Rex na karete? Hindi mo alam yun.
Kilala ko siya.
Because it's busy.
It's a
Stand-up comic siya is busy.
It's busy.
It's busy packers.
What do you want to work
My
here?
mother, she was the
It's
mother
busy.
packer.
Like, it's busy.
Her mom, I think their family does, a packaging company. So her mom is the mother packer. And her Lola is the grandmother packer. At one time, their office was so busy though, and her mother was so angry. Pack that shit! Pack that shit!
Kaya stand-up comedian.
Oo nga po
Lang, tumawa.
Hindi kasi, naalala ko kasi may Robin siya eh. Meron siya, may...
Bakit nasa labas ang brief ni Robin?
Parang, hindi, may storyline talaga siya about the Justice League. Yung parang, isama si Aquaman, isama si... Tapos, Marites and the Super Friends yung pangalan. Kasi, they had the Justice League though, their house is so clean because they have, like, a Filipino maid. So it's called Marites and the Super Friends, that segment of his stand-up comedy.